Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That light is bright, but we are going to go outside and finish these potatoes. I'm going to show you how the plants look this week. It's been raining all morning. It's obviously Saturday, April Fools. It's April 1st, and it's been raining all morning. And when I say all morning, it literally finished probably about an hour ago, and it's 5:30. So we're gonna take advantage of this beautiful sun. Check it out. And I'm gonna show you the starts. So let's get started. So hubby came home the other day with brand new tools that he got me because I wanted this. I didn't have that, but it was cheaper buying the kit than it was just buying this on its own. So that is great for me. So now we have plenty of shovels to share for when JJ comes over. And then check out the plants. Everything is nice and doing its thing. I had the fan on all night. And I got marigolds growing over here on this side. So stuff's still doing its thing, thank God. And let's go outside and finish this stuff up, shall we? Alright guys, so you remember that I did these three and this one last week. And now I have this one. So I did two big potatoes and then one red potato for this container. Alright guys, so I put two more in here, and then I totally forgot about my sweet potatoes, so I gotta leave that one alone because that's for the slips that are still growing. It's still too cold to put the slips, they'll definitely die. So we have to rethink this. I still got lots of potatoes. Oh my goodness. So I think I'm gonna use those two. That one has no dirt. If not, I probably could have used it. So I'm gonna dig those out a little bit just to give it some space, and I'll put one in each. So that's two more. But that leaves me still with a lot of potatoes. Oh my goodness. I mean, I could use my containers. Alright, so I'm going to do those two. So I'm going to do those two first. Then I'm going to go inside and look at my book where I got all of my stuff written in to see what I can take from the containers. Because I know I need it for mostly all of my tomatoes. Oh, so difficult. Oh my goodness. And then we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so for the sake of my insanity, we have potatoes in this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Nothing here with the shovels. And then we have potatoes in this one, and this one. Then for the sake of my insanity, once again, I did not put any fertilizers just to test it out in this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. They're in my regular soil from last year. No fertilizer, no blood meal, no new compost, nothing. Okay? No soil, no fertilizer, no blood meal, no peat moss, no none of that. On this one, this one, this one, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fertilizer, blood meal, bone meal, and peat moss, and compost dirt that we purchased. Alright, now that we got that straightened out, Now we're gonna put the green stalk together. Alright, 1 gallon of water, 2 ounces of liquid fertilizer. Cheers. Alright guys, so you saw me pouring the water on the top, still there. So it's gonna drip down, comes down here, you can see it. I see it here on both ends. And then I see it here, or I saw it here, dripping. But I didn't see it on this one. But I'm okay with it because I still see water coming down from the base itself. What I'm looking for is this base. I guess it's clogged, but I'm not gonna move this thing, it's heavy. So obviously before I do plant some seeds in it, I will have hubby retake it apart and I will clean it very well. Eventually all this water drains down all the way to here, then it accumulates here, and then it comes down through the tube. So that's why I didn't want to put too much water, because I did put fertilizer, and next thing you know I'll be fertilizing my rocks, and that's not what I want. But so far it is dripping. We're doing okay except for this middle piece. So this middle piece is not dripping and this one is not dripping. So we gotta clean it out. But I planted over the winter seeds on here. You can read, it says cilantro or culantro, oregano. So I did plant seeds. Rosemary. So, and this one, I overwintered some dill, thyme, basil. This one was parsley, and I'm hoping that it comes back. That's a wishful thinking. And we're back to the dill. So we'll see. It's a little flabby, but I think it's okay. We'll leave it alone, see what happens. Hopefully we don't have strong winds where it end up falling. And we should be alright. The bird is driving me crazy. So besides that, I really wanted to get the potatoes in today. Whew. I don't think I had anything else to plant because it's still a little cold. The weather has been raining. But we really, we can't do nothing in the rain. I mean, the containers were so heavy because they're full of water. It's been raining all day. I do have the front bed that I still haven't built the spinach, but now that I have that new tool that hubby brought me, I can at least break the soil a little bit more, and me and JJ can do that one of these days when it's nice and warm outside, not cold. As you saw, I'm experimenting, so I put some with the blood meal, the bone meal, the peat moss, the new compost in 4 of the bins, and then 4 of the other containers has nothing in it except for soil. I just want to see if there's a big difference, whether I do need all this organic fertilizers to, grow my potatoes. So it's just an experiment. The less money I spent, the better. But besides that, I'm all set. I'm all done for today. God bless. Thank you for watching. I keep forgetting the camera's not over here. It's over here because I'm using my phone. Sorry about that. I know it can be annoying. But hey guys, welcome back. It is Sunday, April 2nd. And we're going to do the front bed. So let's show you what we got for today. Alright, so first, I'm not sponsored by Goya soda cracker, but in here I put coffee grounds and egg shells. So I'm going to take the 2 that are filled and I'm going to put it in the front bed and mix it in with the dirt, and then we'll plant. Alright guys, so here I'm gonna do 1 line of beans, 1 line of beets, and then 1 long line of spinach. So it sort of changes the format that we had before. So, alright. And then I brought out radishes, because I'm gonna put radishes here and radishes over there.
I put the radish before.
Okay, now give me this, because I'm the one that's going to give you the... You're going to do it right here somewhere. So hold on. I'm going to put holes. Can you reach? We might have to move all of this stuff. And then each hole, you're going to put 1 seed. You see the hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so I hope you see the hole.
Yes, yeah.
I don't see the hole.
I see all of them. What I do.
So, we're planting radishes, I think.
And you know you block these out, and that's why we can break out, because it's covered up, and you have to have a launcher to rip out.
Okay, we'll show people what you're doing. Come on, put them deep down in the soil so they can come back up. Got it? I can't move this. Okay. All right, that's it. Yep. All right. Alright guys, now we're going to the back. I did take out some of the weeds with my weed puller just so it can be loose. I got JJ working. No, just throw it, puppy. Fix it.
I think that.
And we're fixing our asparagus. See?
I think that's my radishes at first.
No, that's not your radish, puppy. Radish is gone. That was a long time ago. Huh? Throw it away. That's not a radish. Yeah, that's fine. Did you? Don't do that, JJ. Now you gotta pick it up. That's the neighbor's yard. Just throw it down so it can dry out. It'll dry out. Yeah, we gotta clean up. Thank you, Bobby. Alright guys, that was it. So we planted red beans. So let me turn you around. We planted red beans here. Me and JJ. Say hi, JJ.
Hi.
We planted yellow beets and then a whole line of spinach. Then in the front beds by the stairs, it's radishes. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.